Digital Marketing Tips by Biz Branding Inc. Module 1, Strategy and Foundations. Digital Marketing Mastery. Marketing starts with your business objective, not the channel. Go beyond demographics. Define audience pain points and primary motivations. Map the customer journey. Plot 3 key touch points for awareness, consideration, and decision stages. Set SMART goals. Ensure every campaign goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Match content to intent, long-form content, or blog for awareness, pricing or demo content for decision. Competitor analysis. Use SPY tools. Identify your top 3 competitors and analyze their most successful content and ads. Core KPIs. Know your North Star. Define 3 to 5 core key performance indicators, KPIs, that directly track revenue or growth. Budget allocation rule. Allocate 70% to proven channels, 20% to scaling, and 10% to testing new platforms. Iterate constantly. Embrace the A/B test. Treat every campaign as a hypothesis to be proven or disproven. 60 Digital Marketing Tips by Biz Branding Inc. Module 2, Search Engine Optimization. SEO versus PPC. SEO is rent-free traffic. Frame SEO as a long-term asset, not a quick fix. Technical SEO audit. Check mobile. First, use Google's mobile-friendly test and page speed insights for core vitals. Keyword intent types. Categorize keywords. Focus on navigational, informational, and transactional searches. The pillar/cluster model. Structure your site by creating pillar pages supported by related cluster content. Long-tail keywords. Target specificity. Optimize content for 4+ word phrases to capture high-intent, low-competition traffic. Internal linking strategy. Pass the juice. Create a strong, logical network of internal links to distribute link equity. Optimize metadata. Write compelling meta descriptions under 160 characters to boost click-through rate, CTR. Schema Markup. Use structured data. Implement schema for reviews, products, and recipes to earn rich snippets. Backlink quality. Prioritize authority. Focus on earning backlinks from sites with high domain authority, DA, not just volume. Local SEO, GBP. Claim Google Business Profile. Optimize all fields, post weekly updates, and actively solicit reviews. 60 Digital Marketing Tips by Biz Branding Inc. Module 3, Content Marketing. Repurpose content. The content. Spoke. Turn 1 blog post into an infographic, 5 social posts, a video, and an email newsletter segment. Call to action, CTA. Design. Optimize CTA. Placement. Place CTA where audience interest is highest. Example, after the introduction or before the conclusion. Video content power. Hook in 3 seconds. Use video to grab attention immediately and front-load the value proposition. E-commerce content tip. Use user-generated content, UGC, in product reviews and social campaigns for authenticity. B2B content tip. Gated content works. Gate high-value assets, white papers, case studies, behind a short lead form. Blog consistency. Set a schedule. Publish on a consistent schedule, example, bi-weekly, to train your audience and search engines. Interactive content. Use quizzes, polls, and calculators to drive deeper engagement and gather data. Visual storytelling. Design for the scroll. Use strong headlines, bullet points, and high-quality images to break up text. Content calendar. Plan topics 3 months in advance based on seasonal trends and product launches. 60 Digital Marketing Tips by Biz Branding Inc. Module 4. Social Media Marketing, SMM. Audience platform match. Go where they are. Don't be on every platform. Focus only on the ones where your target persona spends their time. The 80-20 rule. 80% of your content should be valuable, educational, or entertaining. 20% can be promotional. Engagement strategy. Be reactive. Respond to every comment, mention, and DM within 24 hours. Engagement strategy. Be reactive. Respond to every comment, mention, and DM within 24 hours. Short-form video, Reels or TikTok. Create value loops. Deliver a full, satisfying piece of content that encourages rewatching. Influencer outreach. Target micro-influencers, 1,000 to 10,000 followers, for higher engagement rates and better ROI. LinkedIn for B2B, focus on thought leadership. Post original articles and industry insights, not just product promotions. Instagram for B2C or e-commerce. Use Instagram shopping and visually appealing lifestyle imagery to drive immediate sales. Community building, create a branded hashtag. Encourage customers to use your hashtag and feature their posts, UGC. Optimal posting times. Use platform analytics to determine when your specific audience is most active and post during those windows. Social listening. Monitor social channels for untagged brand mentions, industry trends, and immediate customer feedback. 60 Digital Marketing Tips by Biz Branding Inc. Module 5, Paid Advertising, PPC. PPC Fundamentals. PPC is buyable attention. Understand the difference between search ads, intent, and display ads, awareness. Google ad structure. Tight ad groups. Structure campaigns so that each ad group contains only 5 to 10 highly related keywords. Ad copy optimization, feature benefit in headline 1. Make your main offer or unique selling proposition, USP, immediately visible in the first headline. Negative keywords, stop wasting money. Add irrelevant search terms, example, free, cheap, jobs, as negative keywords to filter unqualified clicks. Retargeting strategy. Target website visitors who did not convert with a stronger offer or a compelling testimonial. Facebook custom audiences. Upload your customer list to Facebook to create highly effective lookalike audiences for prospecting. Ad creative rotation. Fight ad fatigue. Rotate ad creatives every 2 to 4 weeks to keep campaigns fresh and maintain performance. Shopping ads feed, the e-com backbone. Ensure your Google Merchant Center product feed is perfect. High-quality images, accurate pricing, relevant titles. Call extensions. Use call extensions on mobile search ads to allow high-intent users to call your local business directly. Landing page experience, match message. Ensure the ad copy, the landing page headline, and the CTA are identical to maximize conversion rate. 60 Digital Marketing Tips by Biz Branding Inc. Module 6, Email and CRM. Email is your asset. Highlight the high ROI of email marketing and the value of owning your audience data. Lead magnet strategy. Create an irresistible, valuable offer. Example, checklist, template, discount in exchange for an email address. Segmentation is key. Segment by behavior. Separate subscribers based on purchase history, content viewed, or cart abandonment status. Automated welcome series. Create a 3 to 5 email automated welcome series to introduce your brand and nurture the lead immediately after sign-up. Abandoned cart email. Send the first abandoned cart email within 1 hour of abandonment for the highest recovery rate. Subject line optimization. Use urgency and curiosity in subject lines and always A/B test different approaches. Example, questions versus statements. Email personalization. Go beyond hello name. Personalize content based on the subscriber's location or recent actions. List hygiene. Clean your list monthly. Suppress or remove inactive subscribers, those who haven't engaged in 6 to 12 months, to protect deliverability. Tracking conversions. Ensure your email service provider, ESP, is correctly integrated with your analytics platform to track revenue generated from emails. Customer-centric approach. Listen to the clicks. Use data not just to track performance, but to deeply understand and serve your customers' evolving needs and behavior.